What do we do if he starts walking this way? Do we go inside?
I know I will. I don't know what you're gonna do. He comes over here, I'm gonna...
It's each man for himself. Well, I would grab Roxy and run inside. There's wild turkeys and they have little babies. Okay. Let's go. Can I help you? He's like, yes, please. What do you got? Hey. Sorry, I laughed and he ran. Is that an obstacle course? Look at him, how cute he is. There he goes. My neighbors have like a little water bowl out, and Chip, well, he's more like Microchip, comes and takes a little drink. Oh, maybe it's the dog food. Paradise found? I would say so. See how quiet it is? It's just a breeze. Kids talking, people doing stuff. Water splashing. Roxy snoring. That's a pretty view right there. I'm heading to go get water. They have water, trash, dump. Oh, big birds. It's called the comfort station. I don't know what these birds are, black and white. But they don't have them in California. And blue. There's blue on his wings. I guess they want water too. You want water too, don't you? He's guarding the bathroom.
Unbelievable. Well, if you got to go to the bathroom right now, I guess you got to hold it. Because he looks like he's just down for the day. He's just chilling.
Look at him, he's chewing. It's like he's chewing gum. He's like Flo on
Kiss my grid.
Mel's Diner, yeah. What's his name? Buck?
Yeah, that's a great name for him. Hey,
Okay.
Buck. Buck Owens.
Hey, Buck. What do we do if he starts walking this way? Do we go inside?
I know I will. I don't know what you're gonna do. He comes over here, I don't know what
It's each man for himself. Well, I would grab Roxy and run inside.
Here comes the guy walking up to the left. See him?
Oh my gosh, this is gonna be good.
In the buck season.
Oh yeah.
He's going to the bathroom.
Oh no.
Oh, keep recording. This is gonna be great.
Oh no. Oh.
No, he's not going to the bathroom. He doesn't even see him.
Are you sure he's not going to the bathroom?
Yeah, he's just hiking.
It's like blocked off over there. See the orange rope?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, he's
Hey,
just.
that's a nice cone they got over
Are you having cone envy?
there. Cone envy.
I was starting to get into the panty story.
Oh,
she's recording.
Oh, there's
You
people
did
on
it
bicycles
again.
down there.
You did it again, Ron.
There goes Buck.
He's like, Ron's coming, I better leave. She has been sleeping all day. Are you comfy? She kind of gave me a scare this morning. Her back legs weren't working normal. They were like out, like she had just displaced her hips. I'm hoping it's because she had such an active, eventful day yesterday. Roxy, you're missing out on all the fun. Like the potential fires. We got new neighbors here. Right there. I like having new neighbors. Especially when they don't have generators. Look at that sun going down. That is really pretty.